Did you know the father of capitalism spent his final years trying to fix the moral crisis he accidentally created? Adam Smith shocked the world with his invisible hand theory, proving that individual greed magically creates collective wealth. But there was a problem. Pure capitalism without empathy destroys the very cooperation that makes markets work. In his forgotten masterpiece, The Theory of Moral Sentiments, Smith revealed the secret ingredient missing from modern economics: sympathy and imagination. These aren't just nice feelings, they're the invisible foundation that holds society together.